let's look at number 12. This is the microscope question. And this one says the following. A compound microscope has an 18 centimeter long barrel and an objective lens with a focal length of 8 millimeters. What's the focal length of the eyepiece to give a total magnification of 240? It's adjusted for minimum eye strain for persons with a near point of 25 centimeters. Okay, magnification of a microscope. Anybody remember what we came up with for that? It's okay if you didn't. L times 25 centimeters. Okay, that's right. And I think maybe there's a minus sign to say it's inverted, right? But we don't really care about whether the image is inverted or not. So it's that. It's L times 25 centimeters over the focal length of the objective times the focal length of the eyepiece. So if we're going to keep everything in SI units, then this should be 0.25 over the focal length of the eyepiece times the focal length of the objective. And they give us a lot of this information, right? L is the length of the barrel. So here's your lens, here's your other lens. This is L. That's your objective, that's your eyepiece. You put your little bug down there and you take an image of it. Okay? And how big that bug looks to you is given by the magnification M times the original size. So how do we do this? Well, they tell us M, right? M is 240. They tell us L, 18 centimeters, so that's 0.18 meters. And they also tell us the focal length of the objective. Focal length of the objective is 8 millimeters, which is 0.008 meters. And we need to calculate the eyepiece. All right, so it's not too bad because we know everything in this equation except the eyepiece. And so let's just solve this equation for the eyepiece. F of the eyepiece, and just ignore the negative sign, okay? We're just going to worry about the magnitude here, so we'll make that a positive. F of the eyepiece is going to be what? I got to multiply across by FE and then divide by M, so I just trade places with the FE and the M. So it becomes L times 0.25 divided by M times FO. And now I have all those numbers. 0.18 for L, 0.25 for the near point of the eye. That's where that 0.25 comes from. M is 240. FO was 0.008. And now if you punch all that into your calculator, tell me what you get. What'd you get? 2.3?
Yeah, centimeters.
2.3, so 2.3 times 10 to the minus 2 meters, which is 2.3 centimeters. Yeah? Okay, and that is in fact one of the answers. Did anybody else get 2.3? Do we have verification on that?
Yeah.
Okay, good.